The rappers know if they go down the street, they get bleeps. If they come to me, they get art.
Off the chain, I leave soft in the brain. They'll walk the fame off the name. First of all, you ain't rap long enough to be for me.
Hi, I'm Janet Buckby. I'm a composer, producer, and I'm known as hip-hop's go-to Foley artist. Very proud of my work. I would say my career pinnacle would be the DMX album, namely Party Up. Woo! D came to me and said, you know, I want to tell the story here of what's going on. I want to get creative. I want to get inventive. Maybe even a little kooky.
You be like, so, I love my baby mother. I never let her go. I'm tired of
And he loves dogs. He loves dogs. So I said, D, I'll work with you, but I need to know one thing first. What kind of dogs do you like? And he said, bitches. And I said, exactly. Yeah, we were tight for a long time. I miss him. I miss him a lot.